All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have a red light. We are in Marion, Illinois, and we're going through the way station. This is the first time during the day I've had a red light, and I believe I've had a red light here before. 30 miles per hour, slowing it down, and I'm the only one. Everybody else, they might be running it too. All right, so let's see. Hands on the steering wheel. I don't want to get it. I don't think it's open. I don't think it's open. I think it just might be passed through. All right, what do we got? Maintaining my 30. Give me a sign. Give me a sign. Left lane, left lane, left lane, left lane. Give me, yes, left lane. Whew. We got the left. We got the bypass. It's cold out here. I don't know. It's 29 degrees out here. Let's see. So it is probably just monitored. They're probably I see nobody at the desk. No state troopers. We got a red light. I was singing my "Give Me the Green Light" song, and it has a different beep. I wish I had my camera over where it has a different beep when it goes red. And I was like, ooh, oh man. Oh, they got a bunch of police over there. And I'm on the phone with my friend Danella, and she every time I'm on the phone with her when she's on her way to work, I always go through a way station thing, and we're always singing the Green Light song, Green Light. And she's in my ear singing it with me. And I was like, oh no, we got a red light. She's like, oh shit. she was just as scared as I was. I was like, wait a minute. That's not how this goes. That's not today. Oh man, all right, we're 4 hours away from Whiteland, Indiana. Whew. I was all amped up about that. Very anticlimactic. We'll get back to it later. Peace.